Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to insert citation in Word. Okay, so if you want to insert citation, here you will see I have entered this sentence. Okay, according to the recent studies, regions that depends heavily on rainfall for irrigation are experiencing the most adverse effect. Okay, now I want to enter a citation of this study. So where you have to go to references. Okay, in the ribbon reference, then click on enter citation, and then here you can type the writer name. Okay, then title of that study, climate change. Okay, this is city, where you can mention the city, also mention the city. Publisher, if you want to mention publisher, you can just enter publisher. Okay, publisher name, and click on OK. So like this you will see this is the citation. So like this you can insert citation in Word. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.